to see how I prepare my chicken and shrimp fettuccine alfredo. And this is my recipe, this is my style, Rushell style, and you guys are my special guests. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time watching my channel, I join you to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and stick around because great things are in store. And if you're a long time subscriber, thank you for sticking around with me. My channel is growing slowly but surely, so thanks to you guys and all of you guys that's always watching my videos, commenting and sharing, also liking my video. Big thumbs up. Stay tuned and keep on being a part of the squad, being a part of the clique, is it? So today we'll be preparing my chicken and shrimp fettuccine alfredo, and this is my style. This is the way how I do my fettuccine, and I know it's a crowd pleasing fettuccine based on everybody that has ate it. It is a crowd favorite, alright? So now ask me how me know because people big it up. You understand? My fettuccine no mash up nobody life like how Neko mash up Amari life. So my ingredients today, I have my ready to eat shrimp, and these are some rainforest shrimp, and I've already washed them. I also have my chicken right here, which I went ahead and sliced in some cube slice and also some strips. I have my minced garlic, and I like to use this garlic when I'm making my fettuccine. This garlic is so handy. So it comes in this bottle, and this is the Kirkland signature brand. I've had this like forever right now. I have another bottle in the fridge because this is so handy. I'm using Italian cheese today. Normally I would use the Parmesan cheese, but the supermarkets were out of Parmesan cheese, so I'm trying the Italian cheese. Hopefully not spoil me something because something will go and feed me. Fettuccine already have a buzz, me know that. And my heavy cream, and I'm using the Surge brand. And a little butter, black pepper, salt for seasoning my shrimp and my chicken, and of course my fettuccine. And this is the Swiss brand. First time I'm using this one. Normally I use the brand Barilla in the blue box. So this is the first time I'm using this. So hopefully this will be enough, because normally when I make the Barilla brand, it's always plenty remaining, for the next day and stuff. And also to share amongst family and friends. So yes guys, normally I would use cream cheese. It's not a must. You don't really have to go in there. But normally, sometimes I use cream cheese. Today I won't be using any cream cheese. I'll be using the butter to, fry my shrimp and my chicken, along with a little bit of oil. So you guys will see down the line what my procedure really is, what I do step to step. So stick around for that. Squad preference for my fettuccine, and I just take a bit of salt, and this is about half of a teaspoon, and I get some black pepper, sprinkle on there, and just use a fork to mix this up. And that's all I put on my shrimp, guys, just salt and black pepper to fry this, so I get them a bit brown. Put that aside. And for my chicken, it's the same procedure. Let me drink some of this water. So for my chicken, I'm using about a teaspoon of salt, or a little less, a teaspoon of salt, my black pepper. Use my fork and just give this a stir so that the salt and the black pepper is incorporated with my chicken. And guys, it is as simple and easy as this. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Easy like 1, 2, 3. So I will be using my wok today, because normally when I make fettuccine I use my wok, because it's the only pot that I have that actually, I can do 1 packet of fettuccine. So I use my wok for that. So you will see when I'm frying up this in my wok, and you see my procedure. Easy as 1, 2, 3. on medium right now, or a little below medium. And I have my water on the stove boiling for my fettuccine. So I just leave my chicken to, you know, brown as I want them. When I take them out, then I put my shrimp inside, and then we'll get the cooking rolling. So my chicken is in the pot, and I'm just going to allow all of that water to, you know, dry out of the pot to get my chicken to a brown color, because with this water, it's not going to get to a brown color. So I'm waiting for the water to be dried out. So you guys will see that update. Beside my chicken, you have my water on the stove boiling for the fettuccine, the chicken after the macaroni. So you hear all that, guys, some ASMR going on. So the water is being dried out. Perfect. So it's not all that brown, but as you can see, this is good for me. I don't want it to, you know, dry out too much. So because remember that we're going to put it added to the fettuccine with the shrimp to continue cooking. So when it stays like this, it is perfect. So I'm going to be taking off my chicken now and adding my shrimp. I'm just going to go ahead now and add my shrimp. The shrimp will also, you know, accumulate some water. So just like I did with the chicken, I let the water dry out of the shrimp, and then it will get some brown color, and then I can remove it. So I'll just leave this to let it do its thing. My water is boiling, so it's time for me to add my fettuccine. And I've already gone ahead and added about a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of salt to the water. So it's just to add the fat. So I just normally do it like this because I don't want to break them. So just give it a stir until it's soft and starts to lay in the water. And I'll get something else to stir. Get a fork now and give this a stir. This actually looks like it's going to be a small amount, so I'm thinking of adding some more fat to this water. Let me add some more fat. Better stir than I'm sure, right? So I'm just going to take some more fat and add it to the water because this one actually looks small. So my shrimp is over here, and I'm going to take off my shrimp now because I don't want them to be too... This color is perfect right now. It's actually good. Everybody's doing good apart from my wok. My wok is screaming because it's burning. So my shrimp is perfect, and I already have my fat over here. I'm just going to cover my fat and allow it to boil. So my fettuccine is ready. Look at that, and this should certainly do. I will have enough to, you know, give to friends and family, and also have a little left over. So this is perfect. I have also saved some of the fettuccine water, and this is a cup and a half. So if in the process of cooking my fettuccine it's too thick, I can use the water to, you know, thin it out a bit. I've added some oil to the pot, and I'm also going to be using some butter. You know, the fettuccine is pasta, it's not supposed to be healthy, right? So this is not healthy. So for all you guys out there watching your weight, this probably isn't for you. Add the butter to the pot and allow the butter to melt. Let me just turn my stove up a bit. I have my stove about halfway between medium and low. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my diced onions. And I will be adding my garlic now. And I like plenty garlic when I'm doing my pasta. You see when the garlic and the onion, oh my god, it's finished cooking in this, it will be so flavorful. I don't want my onion and my garlic to burn though, so I'll just keep stirring. So as I said before, I normally use cream cheese, and this would be the part where I would add my cream cheese, but I'm not using cream cheese today, so I'm just going to go ahead now and add my heavy cream to this. Okay, so my heavy cream is added. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn up my stove a bit. So my stove is now on medium. Now I'm going to be adding my carrots that I julienne, is that the word? Yes, so add my carrots. And I'm going to also be adding my sweet pepper, bell pepper, red, green, and yellow rasta. Okay, peel my carrot, right? And I'm using a peeler to do so. What I call it, vegetable peeler. Yeah, goes so fast and less stress on the body. Then I'm going to put it in my dash mandolin, and no right. And I will be using the Julian. I'm using the Julian option. And this option is so hard to find. Like you have to test it to ensure that you're getting the right coats. But I love this, is so easy. Nice size Julian, makes everything even. So you get an even cook. Like that. Finished. So I have a piece of strip remaining. I just use my knife to just do this. So somebody's invading my home. Seems like Chevelle. Right, you want to be a chef? Alright, you have to work the knife like this. So you have to work the knife? Yeah. And I'm looking for fettuccine. Chevelle love fettuccine. Chevelle say about fettuccine. That was. What does it say? So guys, see I'm cutting my bell pepper now. Or my sweet pepper, whichever one you guys want to call it. So now I'm going to say chef. Fettuccine dancer. Look what Chevelle came to surprise me with. Show us something about crab. No, we never get no crab. Bye-bye, we didn't have to buy. Right now, it's a while. Crab in a barrel, crab in a bag. Can't see them. One of them are crab like spider. Check out this. Exactly. No, one like this. You want the two gloves them? No, one of them. Right, one of the bag, one of this. Don't drop it in here. Just hold it back, get out of the touch. Come on, you come on. People, you have to scale where I can check out. When I pick up on my finger, when my good in the back for more thing come out. I'm making one, you go on your finger. I'll say the match. Hold the claw. But I need to call that one. Do you want the bigger claw? Come on. Put on the other gloves, Rushell. What a piece of circle.
That one that grew on beard.
What? This is beard. So ready to see look weird in this, ready to see my grow beard. People, now original crab catcher. Crab catcher. He's a crabbies. Ready to bag. No, me not take out one of the gold out of a cloud. I'm sorry. Me love my life. No, stop. Did that mirage crazy? Go let him crawl up on the top. You see, every time we reach at the, as we reach at the crab hole, you see them, crab them run back. Let go, let's go. So they understand normally you have to have one long stick with the hook and see man them with. People, look tell me say, me no crab catcher. You afraid of the crab? Oh, yeah, Reggie, go ahead, walk it back now. Reggie, walk it back. I only want 3 because I don't think. They'll peel them up to Monday. We just say Monday and then I'm actually. We're going to put them up this Monday. No, I'm going to boil them and put them in the freezer. Oh. So that's when they'll curry them. Oh. So me and then I'm actually. Not that I want to put a big cow on the bottom of the fridge. Bishop. So we get Monday. I don't have to get beer. See them now? You see them? This is a come up. Don't go like you now. Such a fun man, I come up. Alright, what's the cup? Lock up this back. Take out the door. I think. Ay, mesti semua aku bisa. Saya kan ada saya. Ya, cepat nak. Sorry, kan ni sorry. Nanti dah betul. Aku mak biasa ya. Assistant chef. Nah, give him the knife, bro. Yeah, but we can't put anything else in yours, no? It's at 8 now. It's going very slowly. Come, Raj. So guys, I'm all by myself again. My family has left, so back to regular proceeding. And Rajiv let me slice the onions, which I didn't want to do, so now I'm dicing the onions. Trying to keep them as small as possible, so when I'm eating fettuccine, I'm not having to eat this large piece of onion. Think go back. So guys, what are you up to today? And also, what do you think about what's her name? Amari son? Neko mash up my life. He just thinks that she just lives from over Gollibop, the Bop of Ireland. She got on the interview and she said she just it was all about Gollibop. And then when Gollibop reacted or responded saying that you know I'm a corona victim, come give him corona and all of that, you know, she snapped back and girl moved from 0 to 100 real fast. I'm gonna feel like this place from Gollibop. in no case you can't try style back because the faster the back will have you, the back really gets right. But I guess she make a little trending song for now. So guys, that's my vegetable and that I'm going to put in the, oh, I'll show you guys the result of the mandolin. So I put the mandolin on the, what's this now? The julienne option, and so I have some nice julienne carrots and they are evenly sliced. So the cooking should be perfect for all of them. So evenly cut, perfect size, so I'll get an even cooked throat. I have my chicken right here sliced and it's soaking in some white vinegar. I also have my shrimp right here, and these are some rainforest seafood ready to eat shrimp. I have also been soaking them in some white vinegar with water. So that's it for my ingredients. For now, I'm going to show you the additional ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead now, guys, and add my water that I saved from my fettuccine noodle, because this is looking a little too thick. And also I've turned down my stove to midway between medium and low. And it is time for me to add my chicken and my shrimp. See how lovely that is looking. And as you do this, guys, you can add whatever you want in your fettuccine. Sometimes I use broccoli, but I have no broccoli today. So I will just be doing this with the carrots, bell pepper. And I also think this needs some more heavy cream. If you go in the supermarkets and you see cooking cream, it's the same thing. You can buy cooking cream if it says cooking cream. Creamy. So now I will be adding my salt and my black pepper. So you can add the salt that you want to your taste preference. For me, that was just a teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put my black pepper until I think that I've had enough. So I'm not measuring my black pepper, guys. Off this fork and just that should be good. My scotch bonnet pepper powder, see how pretty that is. Guys, it smells so delicious, smelling so nice. And my fettuccine is almost ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my stove and add the cheese. So remember that I said I normally use Parmesan cheese, but I don't have any Parmesan cheese, so I'm using Italian cheese. First time using this, so I hope the outcome is the same or better. Okay, so time to add my cheese, as I said. That cheese should be enough because I don't want to overdo it. And due to the fact that I've never used this cheese before, so guys, that is it for my chicken and shrimp fettuccine alfredo. I do hope that you enjoy this video. And if you're still here with me, do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And watch the entire video. Thank you. So I'm just going to share myself a plate so you guys can see more of this deliciousness.
Guys, this is
perfect. You know, it has that little bit of spice, not overwhelming. And of course, you know the same of my wine in bougie. And this is, we call it Beringer Main and Wine. And this is the pink Moscato. And I already know some Moscato is my brand, my favorite wine, because I love sweet wine. I don't like dry wine. Shrimp. Carrot. Try this recipe, then you can thank me later, alright? Can't put too much more at one time. Or can I? This tababos, the spice come through. You're gonna be a lady. So guys, seems like we're on the second wave of the COVID-19. So I hope you guys are staying safe, sanitizing, washing your hands when you can, not picking your nose, your mouth, or putting your hands in your eyes. You want to stay safe. Follow safety protocol wherever you go. And not drop on a guard, no, because we know some people feel like say COVID gone or oh, COVID is not real and this and that and whatever. Me no want me for real. Me I follow safety protocol. I don't think I like the brand macaroni, you know. I don't think I like this brand Fettuccine. Some of them taste a little hard. Don't know why. Normally when I use the Barilla, as I said, perfect cook every time. Shrimp again. I think I'm going to save this. I need my bread, my garlic bread. I think pasta is better with garlic bread. What do you think? Comment below and let me tell me what you think. Oh, and the garlic bread that I have below is my homemade bread. And yes, I made it myself. I know put my garlic butter on it and put it in the freezer. So when I want it, I just pop it in the toaster oven and it's good as new. Someone's gonna save this for later because I'm full right now. I was munching while I was cooking, so if you're still here with me, you know what to do. And you will watch the video and subscribe. Let me just give you a minute to subscribe. You do it yet? Oh yeah, you have to click on the button now. Alright, you subscribe now, yeah. So, do remember to like, share, comment. And as usual, keep this thing interactive. Be a part of the squad, be a part of the clique, be a part of the fam, anything. We're just a little community. So guys, what good.